In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI API to Lovable. We'll go through the process directly inside Lovable using its built-in AI assistant to help set up the functionality you want. This is a simple workflow, and the main idea is to clearly describe to Lovable how you want OpenAI to be used in your project. Start by going to Lovable and opening the dashboard where your projects are listed. Once you're there, open the project you want to work on. If you don't immediately see the correct workspace, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where you can navigate through your available sections and project options. From there, click on All Projects if needed, and then open the specific project where you want to add OpenAI support. This is helpful if you have multiple projects and need to make sure you're editing the right one before giving any instructions to the assistant. Once your project is open, move your attention to the prompt box in the lower left area of the interface. This is where you communicate with Lovable's AI assistant. Think of it as the place where you describe what you want built or updated. In that prompt box, add your prompt. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, you can tell the assistant that you want to add a feature that calls the OpenAI API to summarize text, generate content, or support another AI-powered action inside your app. Using natural language is completely fine here, and in fact, it usually works best. The clearer your goal is, the better the assistant can interpret what needs to be created. After entering your request, send the prompt to the AI assistant. At this stage, Lovable will begin processing your instructions and generating the changes for your project. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a little time, so be patient and let it finish. While you wait, avoid interrupting the process so the assistant can complete the task properly. Once the prompt is done, you'll be able to review what Lovable has prepared based on your instructions. That's the full process for getting started with connecting OpenAI API to Lovable through a prompt-driven workflow. The key is opening the correct project, using the prompt box, and clearly describing how you want OpenAI to work in your app. If your first prompt isn't perfect, you can always refine it and try again with more detail.